Now, we would like to invite our TAQ's president, Mr. Karthing Ilogoman, to the stage, please.
Put some hands for him, please.
TAQ's president, Mr. Karthing Ilogoman, is a person who has the best intentions of the community. He is very considerate of his team he works with. By profession, he is a certified anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing specialist, and always keen on helping the community and raising awareness of social issues, as we will have seen in various events. Let's welcome Mr. Karthing Ilogoman to have a president's speech.
என் தாய் தந்தைக்கும் தமிழுக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். குயின்ஸ்லாந்து தமிழ் சங்கத்தின் சார்பாக இந்த ஈவினிங்க்கு சிறப்பாக வந்து சிறப்பிச்சு கொடுத்த எல்லாருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Before I begin my speech, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land on where we have gathered today, and I pay my respect to elders past, present, and emerging. Established in 1986, for nearly 4 decades, Tamil Association of Queensland has been a cornerstone of the Tamil community, offering unwavering support to new migrants, preserving Tamil traditions and fostering a deep sense of belongings. It's my time to introduce my team. Dr. Sada Ayathurai, Vice President, Mrs. Menaga Suhasini, Secretary, Mr. Senapati Gunalan, Treasurer, Mr. Sri Jayendra Kumar, Mrs. Uma Agnal, Assistant Treasurer, Femisphere, Mr. Ilamaran, Mrs. Preeta Singh, Convener, Femisphere, Ms. Srimati Narayanan, Deputy Convener, Femisphere, Mrs. Sangeeta Rajeshwaran, Public Relation Officer, Femisphere. Can we please give a big round of applause, not only for them, but also for their family members, for their hard work and commitment. And our event committee, without you, today is not possible. Thank you very much to all of them. There's a list of like 50 to 100 people. So it's a huge list if I want to thank you individually. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure to welcome Honorable Fiona Simpson, MP, Minister for Women and Women's Economic Security, and Minister for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Partnerships, and Minister for Multiculturalism. Honorable Milton Dick, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Shane Newman, MP, Honorable Senator Paul Scar, Honorable Lance McCallum, MP, Ms. Margie Nightingale, MP, Ms. Jessica Poo, MP, Mayor of Ipswich, Teresa Hardings, Councillor Emily Kim, Councillor Charles Trunk, and dignitaries from Multicultural Australia, Multicultural Affairs, QPAST, Queensland Police Service, and Australian Federal Police, and my dear community leaders. Thank you to all of you for joining today to make this event a grand success. It's my pleasure to see so many familiar faces and new faces as we gather to celebrate Deepavali, the Festival of Lights. This day holds a special meaning for our Tamil Association of Queensland and for each of us. Deepavali symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and unity over division, values that resonate deeply in our community. Tamil is a language that has traveled across continents and has become an official language in multiple countries. From India, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia, Mauritius, and spoken by Tamil communities in South Africa, Fiji, Canada, and right here in Australia. Tamil has taken root worldwide. It stands as a testament to our resilience, adaptability, and the enduring spirit of our heritage. In Queensland, Tamil is a bridge connecting generations and creating a sense of identity and pride for all of us. Tamil Association was the first organization which has started Diwali celebration decades ago in Brisbane, which has grown to celebrate the city during this year of the year every year. This event, like our language, is proudly multicultural. Our Tamil identity is rooted in inclusion, embracing people from all backgrounds, ages, and faiths. Today is just not Diwali celebration, it is Queensland Tamil families celebrating multiculturalism and togetherness. It's like Tamil Thiruvira. From the moment we announce the date of The performers, volunteers has given a huge support to make this a grand success. Not just this year, but it is every year. The Diwali of Tamil Association is an auto mode. This event is more than just Diwali celebration. In 2024, the Tamil Association of Queensland has structured its event to create awareness while we promote the heritage of Tamil language and multiculturalism. The event we have conducted this year are Australia Day, a family picnic, badminton tournament, online child safety by Think You Know, AFP, community barbecues, picnic in Island, a bus trip, Muttamar Vida, Femisphere, and more to come. This year, under my leadership, we have started a subcommittee for the women's, by the women's, and to empowering women. This inaugural was inaugurated by Honorable Senator Paul Scar, Ms. Shannon Fentiman MP, Councillor Emily Kim. As you have seen in the AV, Femisphere will support and create resources for the women, also will address serious issues such as child safety, domestic violence, coercive control, health, and more. This team is dedicated to work for the community. So please join and support Femisphere. To become a member of Tamil Association, please reach out to our treasurer, Mr. Senapati Gunalan. Speaking about Femisphere, I have a special person here. I have to mention this. Dr. Preeti Suraj, President of FICQ, is the first women president in 26 years of FICQ. I tell you what, she tried 2 times before, and 3rd time she won the presidency. She never stepped back. Her vision and goal was clear.
You mentioned someone.
She's our Brisbane's Kamala Harris. We need more Preeti ji to step up for leadership roles in the community. Please continue to motivate others. Honorable Senator Paul Scar, you have been a great support for the organization this year by your generosity as an annual sponsor and event sponsor as well. Thank you very much. Councillor Emily Kim, you have been great support for our events all this year, and same as Councillor Charles Trunk as well. And all our events are not possible without our sponsors. So our event sponsor, Heritage Bank, People First Bank, not because of I work for them, Heritage Bank Forest Lake Community Branch is the best bank in the community, owned by the customers, extraordinary products and services, especially amazing staff. So please reach out to Heritage Bank Forest Lake Community Branch for your banking needs. Our platinum sponsors, Celaphone Ria Shahul Hamid, Harcourt Real Estate, Praveen Shah, Alfa Romeo Aspley, and Honorable Senator Paul Scar. And thank you to all our gold sponsors and silver sponsors. Makale, please support our business in the community who have been great pillar for the support of the community. I have to mention 2 important gentlemen who have been a great pillar for support. Mr. Palani Teva, he's not here today. He's such a great social worker and community leader who's always there for the community no matter what time of the day. Mr. Balasubramanian Govindasamy Naidu is a pillar of support for the organization. His community service, not only for Tamil Association, but also for Vedanta, is greatly appreciated. I have to say this, a few weeks back he traveled to India for a family emergency. He just traveled back to Australia just for this Diwali event, and he's flying back on Tuesday. Your support and commitment is greatly appreciated, Balana. Thank you very much. Makale, இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம், Queensland Police Service has started the Multicultural Recruit Preparation Pathway, designed to support and prepare for success within recruit training program and in their policing career. This is a 6-week course offered at the Queensland Police Academy and completed before mainstream police recruit training. Previously this year, 2 candidates from Tamil speaking have graduated from Great Prepared program organized by Multicultural Australia partnered with Queensland Police Service, Australian Federal Police, and Queensland Corrective Service. Mentored and trained by our amazing officer here, Leanne, Shane, and Vernon. Please reach out to one of them or Police Liaison Manindakar to know more about MRPP Just a great program. We need more officers for the community. As we celebrate Deepavali, let us continue to be guided by the light of understanding, the warmth of unity, and the joy of our shared heritage. Let's keep Tamil strong, vibrant, and multicultural. Thank you. Let's enjoy the festivities.